Presiden Prabowo Subianto bertemu dengan Presiden FIFA, Gianni Infantino, di New York, Amerika Serikat, Rabu, 24 September 2025, waktu setempat. Pertemuan tersebut dimanfaatkan untuk membahas kemajuan sepak bola Indonesia sekaligus mempererat kerjasama dengan FIFA.
I was honored and had the great pleasure to meet the President of Indonesia, great friend of football, of course, as well, a man of his word, a man that does what he says. I know him now for some time already, and what he has done, what he's doing for football in a great football country like Indonesia is absolutely unique. Himself with his government, with of course Eric Thohir, who is also a great friend. They have done incredible for Indonesia, for Indonesian football, for girls, for boys, for youth, for seniors, but most importantly for the passion and the heart of all the people. Everyone, it is in the world, the country who has made the biggest progress in such a short time frame. Thanks to the people, thanks to the president, thanks to the investments, thanks to the passion of each and every Indonesian.